Hello friends, today I will be talking about coprophagia. Coprophagia means eating its own stool. See, a lot of puppies generally they eat their own stool. There may be a lot of reason for that and a lot of clients come with this complaint. So, I will talk in detail why they are doing so. So, main reason of coprophagia is worm in stomach. So, you need to deworm your pups regularly to get rid of that. Other reason is nutritional deficiency. Lot of times your puppy may be deficient of B complex vitamins and that may be one reason of coprophagia. Other is he may be hungry all the time. So, since he is hungry all the time, he tries to satisfy himself or he tries to satisfy his hunger by eating its own stool. The next reason is indigestion. Lot of times because of certain pancreatic deficiency or certain digestive enzyme deficiency, digestion may not be proper in pups or in adult dogs, and since digestion is not proper, some indigested portion of food may come in stool and that may attract them to eat their own stool. The next reason may be behavioral. See, behavioral reason is simply they get habit of eating their own stool. Sometimes what happens out of fear of punishment also they do so, because what we do when they pass a stool in house, we just scold them, shout on them and then we remove their feces. Puppy learn that if I have done this, I will be scolded and they imitate it. What the owner does by cleaning, owner clean the feces. So, out of fear what pup does, just to get rid of that wrong habit and thus to hide that wrong habit, he eats feces themselves, thereby cleaning that, so that he thinks that oh, my owner will not see. That is also a reason. Other reason may be hypercorticism, hyperthyroidism, and these are all broader things which only your vet can find out. So, now how to prevent it? First, if he is hungry, see that he gets ample food. Number 2, if there is nutritional deficiency, you can give supplement like B complex vitamins. Number 3, if he has got worms, then you have to deworm him. Number 4, if he has got pancreatic deficiency, then he may be supplemented with some pancreatic enzymes that is available in market, that you can give. So, that will solve the problem. Fourth, nutritional deficiency. If he has got nutritional deficiency, then you see that his diet is complete. Number 5, behavioral problem. See, in behavioral problem, what you have to do is that first you try to avoid stool. So, as soon as he passes stool, clean it. When you are getting a pup for walking, as soon as he passes stool, go with leash and slightly pull him and make him away from the stool. That is one way. Other way is in house, simply you can make taste better. What you can do, you can just mix lot of pepper powder or mirchi powder on the stool, so that if it tastes very bad, so that he does not taste it again. So, thereby that habit will go. See, there are some commercial products are available in market. These commercial products generally make their stool very bad in taste and thereby reducing that incidence of eating stool. See, what problem happens or what may happen if he eats his own stool. If any dog eats its own stool, then there may be recurrent worm infestation. That is one reason. Other reason, that is one thing. Another thing is that he may have regular gastric issue. Always he may have loose motion or vomiting or something like that. Very bad smell will come, halitosis, very bad smell will come from his mouth. See, these are things what I pointed out. If you take care of all these things, your puppy may not eat stool and that habit may go. One more thing in adult, particularly in mother who feeds their baby, they have got its natural habit, because from the time of birth of their puppy, they clean their feces, pup's feces. So, that is a normal habit. So, if that is the case, if any nursing mom eating a stool, then that is normal. So, there you have to ignore it. Okay friends, thank you very much. Thank you.